So I'm not sure how well it's going to show up, but this is a project right next door to where we're working. Look at that bottom shingle, how it's curved up. That's their leaf-free, debris-free system there. Wire mesh. Zoom in here. But you can see, just like we talked about, the most important thing you don't want to do is disturb those shingles, cupping them up, stopping how that water flows off, or making them susceptible to wind now. I'll pull back and show you what we did here. This is the north end of the house. You can see how nice, straight, and tight that is. And the most important thing, like I say, if I come down at roof level and you take a look, is we do not disturb that shingle at all on the bottom of this. It is still fully sealed down. All warranties are intact. It's not going to blow up with the wind. It's not going to have water go back up behind your fascia. It's all nice and tight.